Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you head count tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to skill trainer and go to run concept. Enter head count. And head count is method of counting the defensive players in the box and determining the numbers on each side of the ball.
Here we go. Stop. Here we go, here we go. Stop. Get set. Stop. Here we go, here we go. 11, 11, 11, 11. Stop. Here we go. Here we go. Stop.
And that's basically it. Thanks to this tutorial, you can learn how to flip bets. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.